Raise your hand if you've ever practiced a conversation in the shower, only to blank out in real life like a buffering YouTube video. Yeah, me too. But here's the secret: talking to strangers isn't about being smooth, it's about being human. And guess what? You're already great at that. Now, Brian's. Step 1: the 3-second rule. No, not the food. 1. Hey, no, too excited. Hey, too robotic. Greetings, human. Too much. Here's the fix. When you see someone interesting, say anything in 3 seconds before your brain can panic. Cool hat. This line is taking forever, right? Boom. Instant conversation starter. Pro tip: it doesn't have to be clever. The bar is so low. Most people are just relieved someone else talked first. Step 2: be a conversation detective. People drop clues everywhere. Their shirt, band you love, their grocery cart, weird snack debate waiting to happen. Just point it out. Oh, you're buying all the spicy chips, Daredevil, or just bad taste. Now they're talking and you're off the hook. Funny twist. Works better than my dating profile. Hey, I see you're holding a plant. So, photosynthesis, huh? Step 3: the floodgate question trick. Some questions get one-word answers. How's work? Fine. Boring. Flip it. What's the wildest thing that happened at work this week? Now they're telling you about the time a pigeon attacked their boss. Example: do you like movies? Meh. If you had to live inside one movie forever, which would it be? And how screwed are you? Now we're talking. Step 4: embrace the awkward. It's your superhero origin story. Silence isn't failure, it's comedy material. Forget their name? Wow, my brain just did the Windows shutdown sound. Awkward pause. And so, how about them air molecules? Awkward equals relatable. Perfect equals weird. Your call. Step 5: the exit plan. No, not the fire alarm. Stuck? Wrap it up with, I'll let you get back to thing they're doing. Great chatting. No ghosting, no drama. And you look polite. See? Conversation isn't rocket science. It's just noticing stuff and being slightly braver than your inner couch potato. Now go forth. Compliment strangers, interrogate baristas, and own the awkward. Worst case, you give someone a hilarious story to tell their friends. Talk more. Overthink less. The cat still judges you, though.